Hey, welcome back! In one of my previous videos I've done an unboxing of Tesla accessories from Jowua and I've promised to make an installation video. Let's install them one by one. Starting with the trunk hook. It should be quite straightforward. With the writing on the outside, you just clip it here and here. Yeah, that should do it. It fits quite well, and they say that they can hold up to 2 kilograms. I don't think you need 2 kilograms here. You just need to make sure that whatever you put here in the front it's not wobbling around or falling while you drive.
This video is sponsored by Jowua, your premium supplier of Tesla accessories. For a 5% discount, follow the link in the description.
The second accessory is part of the same hook bundle. It's the Glovebox Hook. Again in a set of 2. Let's open the glove box and just slide it in. It fits perfectly. It's exactly made to fit the shape of the glove box door. Perfect. So the last item in this bundle, it's the MagSafe car seat holder. We have 2 of them. Yeah, hopefully I know how to install them. I also have a neck pillow installed, so hopefully it works. Basically, you have to just slide it underneath the 2 metal rods that are keeping the headrest strapped. Oh yeah, this one is in. Okay. Checking the box one more time. Yeah, maybe it's, I put it, yeah. So I did put it upside down. So the way you should put it, it's like this, not like this. Lesson 1. So you slide it in, slide the other part in. Yeah, way easier. So let's see. Perfect. Awesome. So you can put your phone here, your tablet, whatever, and it just fits snugly. And of course, we have another one for the other side. Let's see if I can install it from the first try this time. Easy. For the next accessory, we will install the under-screen invisible MagSafe organizer. Yeah, I think it should be fairly simple to install. It has a quick release over here. If I pull on it, yes, it unlatches. And my guess is, without even looking at instructions, that it should go something like this. And clunk. That was easy. I literally thought that this will be way more complicated. Man, I'm amazed. Let's see this light in action right now. So you should be able to put it here. So my only concern with this invisible under-screen MagSafe organizer is that over here we have a vent. Let me close the... Okay, I think that's better. The purpose of that vent is to suck the cabin air inside and direct it towards a temperature sensor. And that temperature sensor tells the computer the cabin temperature. My thought is that if I cover it, because now it's kind of covered, it's not sealed, but it's covered, that sensor might give bad readings. I have to test it, it's just a hunch, but it's very easy to install, and I can see me using it a lot, like for my glasses. We also received a power hub, which, from what I've seen, should fit somewhere in the back. We have this hole over here, and it can accommodate the USB hub perfectly. And it's made in such a way that it gives you access to the USB-C on the right side. Perfect. And of course, with some cable management, you can, I guess, draw a power line from here all the way up to here to this hub, and then inside the box. I think you can also try to pull the USB out of there if you want, and like make some nice cable management. Such a rewarding sound that it makes when you close it, because it's magnetic. So after all this hard work, I think it deserves to play some games. And how to play them any other way than with the new controller from Jowua. I really like how the buttons are labeled, the X, Y, B, A. The text is at the bottom of the button, and it has like a magnifier effect. You can pair the controller in a multi-connection way. It's called a multi-connection mode settings. The first one here, you do it using this toggle switch. The first one is to pair it using the dongle, the provided dongle. The second one, the X, is to pair it using Bluetooth. The third one is to pair it to a switch. And I have a switch, and I think I will use this to play some games on the switch, because the controller is better than the one that the switch provides, the default one. And the last one, it's off, or you can use the wired connection when it's off to plug it in any device and just use it. I will use it in the dongle mode with the provided dongle and the USB adapter. First, I have to disconnect the USB stick that records sentry mode and all of that. But the way to do it properly is to go into the menu, into the controls, and here where it says recording, just long press, and it says paused. So now it's kind of like a safe remove from your PC or Mac when you say remove a USB thumb drive. And I can open the glove box now, take out the thumbstick. I will insert it here into the blue USB. The blue one means that it's a USB 3.0, so it has a high data throughput. So we want that to be able to record the videos on the thumb drive. And I can insert the receiver from the controller in one of the other two USB ports. Of course, I have another one, so I can plug in both controllers that I received and play games with my wife, with my kid. There's a button on the wireless USB dongle, and we have a button over here. So if we press on both, we should be able to sync. And it vibrated, so I think that means it worked, right? What should we play? I've never played anything with a controller on a Tesla.
Thank you for watching till the end. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.